Come with us as we take a staycation at Soboba Casino Resort and Hotel in San Jacinto, California. Soboba features a casino and a golf course. Come along and I'll show you our room. Fairway Cafe serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We were here for an early dinner and started off with the barbecue chicken wings. For a cafe, these chicken wings were very good. I really enjoyed them. Next, we had a BLT with garlic Parmesan French fries. Again, another hit with the French fries, and the BLT was quite filling as well. We had an order of the fish and chips with potato chips and a side of coleslaw. The coleslaw was a little bland, but the fish and chips and those potato chips were good. And finally, we had the classic burger with bacon and a side of onion rings. Another hit, with the onion rings being nice and crispy and the burger being filling as well. We were just at Soboba for one night. We did not spend a lot of time in the casino. However, we did enjoy the property both inside and out. An evening stroll around the pool was great for a nice summer evening, and seeing the nice lights at Soboba was really, really tranquil. If you're ever in the San Jacinto area, I do recommend you pay a visit to Soboba. Thanks everyone for watching my video. Be sure to give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and join us on our next adventure on Order Up Fun. Thanks for watching.